How's it going, everyone? In this recap, I want to talk about a trade I made on the futures pre-market. I called this out inside Team Bull. I called this out on my Instagram live pre-market. Huge trade, and I want to talk about how I found this level, how I managed this trade. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. First off, watching ticker-ES, the E-mini S&P 500 index. My level, I posted this in Team Bull pre-market. My level was 3981 bounce or a 3990 reject. So this was the trade we took down here. I did take a little early entry off this candle here. I had to move up. I trimmed some, but I added to my position down here, just like I called out during my Instagram live. This level was simple. See, we broke this. We broke a resistance here, pre-market. Had a nice break, push up. And what happens when you have these big moves up, a lot of orders are left unfilled. A lot of people are still have orders sitting back down around that level. After big moves up, what happens? You come back down, retest, and pick up them orders, then continue on. And that's exactly what happened here. So we got in, we bought the bottom of this candle, went long here, almost an instant 10 plus point move up. But my reject level was at 3990, which was a resistance level. You can't see it here, but it was resistance, an area of confluence. I didn't take this personally, but if you had taken this reject at 390, let's say you entered exactly at 3,990, you had a little over 1 point, push up. But anyways, rejected back down to 3986. Would have been a nice scalp. I've had a lot of people reach out to me about futures trading. I can trade futures on my Thinkorswim, but I trade futures on a funded trading account. I have multiple ones open. It's called Apex Trader Funding. I'll leave a link in the description. You have to pass a simple evaluation test. You're trading with someone else's money. You keep 90% of the profit. So if that's something you're interested in, check it out. They walk you through it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in. We'll get back with you. But that's all I have for you. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Be sure to use your spare time to work toward a better future. See you all next time.